Welcome to aminacademy.com in science and technology about its contribution. Let us do something about it. Contribution of science and technology to our human life is vast. So many things that is given by science and technology to the human life welfare. In today's world, the role of science and technology is indispensable. We need science and technology in every sphere of our life, like to treat diseases such as cancer or even book of cab or train flight ticket. In fact, without technology that is integrated with science, we cannot imagine our life per second. One of the most important aspects of science and technology is that it has solution to the difficult problems. The problems which have the potential to become major bottlenecks to the overall growth of country. Some of these problems could be health aspects, standard of education, availability of health food and safe drinking water, infrastructures. On the other hand, once mitigating solutions are found to those problems, then the second major issue is the underdevelopment in the field science. Research and technology that directly affects the development of the country's economy, infrastructure, higher education, and a few other fields listed below. Development of nuclear technology, defense technology, development of satellites, biotechnology, meteorological science, space technology, nanotechnology, wireless communications, etc. It continues. All of these techniques in turn provide a favorable conditions for the country's growth and increase health competitions nationally and also internationally. In today's world, more often we get to read or listen that developed countries, developing countries, underdeveloped countries, or even third world countries, all these designate the level of development of science and technology in other countries. They have the influence on. Government has also created an exclusive department to emphasize on the development of science and technology, and separate budget is also allocated for the same for every year. Now, science and technology have contributed many aspects to the human life, including quality of life. Science and technology have improved people's health, prosperity, and quality of life. Science and technology have been central to the development of nations around the world and are key to addressing poverty and economic development challenges. Social development. Science and technology have revolutionized society by improving education, communication, and business. Science and technology have made life easier and more comfortable with advances in communication, travel, and cooking. Access to information. Science and technology have made information more accessible. Standard of living. Science and technology have increased the standard of living. Advancement in fields. Science and technology have made significant advance in many fields, including energy, medicine, biotechnology, and engineering, etc. Nature of science and technology. Let us now discuss the nature of science and technology. There are normally two types of knowledge required for the overall development of the country. First, technical knowledge. It can be defined as the simplest term as know-how. It includes ranges of basic skills such as advancement in agriculture, development of chemical industries, medical technology, software engineering, etc. Understanding of the attributes or elements. It means knowledge and understanding of the intelligence of workers, quality of products, value of film, effectiveness of market, etc. The uncompetitiveness of any of the attributes or elements leads to knowledge gap and information deficiency, which is directly relatively to the underdevelopment of the respective country. Likewise, source and technology is directly related to the overall development of the country. As a matter of fact, science and technology facilitates healthy competitions between the different attributes of elements and acts like a platform for a better life. Therefore, in order to alleviate the basic problems of food and supply, safe drinking water, health problems, education, infrastructure, etc., the emphasis on gradual development of science and technology is very essential. Science and technology in everyday life. Science and technology are the backbone of modern life. They impact everything from how we wake up early morning, that is alarm clocks, to how we work computers, and from how we communicate, like phones, and how we heal, medicine. They are essential for our health, comfort, and progress, etc. That means science and technology in everyday life, from starting wake up to and programming in computers, and also how heal from diseases. That is about the medicines. The nature of science and technology refers to the principles and ideas that describes science and technology as ways of knowing and the characteristics of scientific knowledge. Describe nature of science describes what science is, how it works, and how it influences people and culture. It emphasizes the importance of empirical observations, personal influences, imagination, and discussion among scientists. Describe nature of technology. Describes what the technology is, how it works, and how it influences people and culture. It's important to understand how technology relates to science, that is the basic knowledge of the materials, and society to make informed personal and societal decisions. Science is the systematic study of the natural way through the observation and experiment. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. Now, for some branches of technology about information technology (IT). Information technology is a broad field that involves the use of computer systems, software, and network to store, process, and exchange information. IT is a part of information and communication technology, that is ICT. IT includes variety of subfields and specializations such as networking, building communication networks such as severe and servers and routers, data management, creating and administering databases and safeguards data and information, troubleshooting, helping employees with computer or mobile device issues, data science and mining, extracting insights from the large data sets using statistics, programming, and algorithms. IT plays a vital role in education and research, providing access to educational resources or facilitating distance learning. The term information technology first appeared in 1958 article in the Harvard Business Review, but the practice of manipulating, recording, and transmitting information has been around since the dawn of written language. To get started in IT, you can get an IT certification to test your skills or knowledge. Get a 2-year bachelor degrees, master degrees are there to improve your IT knowledge. In further videos, we'll discuss further about science and technology. If you have done, please subscribe our YouTube channel.